So we're just gonna keep it quick and simple today. Right off the bat, I'm gonna start with the winners of the tackle giveaway. I picked 3 of you guys from the live stream video and then 3 of you from the original video. So if you guys entered that, the winners are down below. There's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You guys are gonna be right in the description right here, somewhere down here. And there's gonna be an email. Send an email with your name, you know, your YouTube account, to that email, and I will send you guys some free tackles. So congratulations to those guys who won. And other than that, guys, we're at a golf course pond right now, and you know, we've been getting rain. Things have warmed up a little bit, but we're still not quite there. But today, I think we're gonna get into the first pre-spawn bass fishing sesh this year. We need to get the skunk out of the way. It's about time we get this done. So I got some lures rigged up, and I think we're gonna get it done today, guys. So other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and enjoy. Come on now. We're gonna start burning a rattle trap because we need to search bait for these fish. So we need to throw something loud and proud, you know what I'm saying? What we're doing right now, guys, is we're just gonna be burning a rattle trap. We're gonna see what happens. This is the best way, honestly, in that pre-spawn season when you're moving into spring to just find fish. Problem is with these lakes, they're very, very heavily vegetated, so it's like kind of frustrating to fish, but we're gonna see if we can get onto something here. I mean, even like 1 or 2 fish would be sick. There we go. It's about time, baby. Woo! This skunk is broken. All right, they might be more shallow than I thought. What's up, dude? Right in the bottom lip. Come here. Oh, not a bad one either. Look at that. Oh, life is good. Yes, first official pre-spawn bass with 2018, folks. Money shot. Thanks, dude. Good feeling. All right, so we walked around with the rattle trap, and we got 1 fish, not too shabby. And here's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna throw something just simple. We're gonna throw this craw in here. I got a pegged craw. We're gonna see, you know, unfortunately I didn't grab like the best color option for stained water right now, but whatever, we're gonna take a natural approach. Man, my words are messed up today. We're just gonna see if we can pick some bass off with a craw, kind of try and figure out what they want. If they want something that's moving, if they want that rattle trap, if we're better off covering more water, or if they'll, you know, feed on a craw off the bottom. Try and fish this edge. Ooh, it's getting cold. Okay, so unfortunately that about sums it up. We did get 1 fish, so we did break the skunk, and I can't complain about that, but unfortunately, man, these fish are still just so finicky. It's been a rough, funky beginning of the season. So, I mean, we're not really quite there. Bass fishing in Ohio doesn't really pick up till like May, and then you move into the spawn. But, you know, usually I can get a couple fish this time of year, like pretty consistently. This year it's been tough. I've been struggling. So anyways, yeah, guys, that's all I got for you today. Again, if you guys entered that contest for the tackle, check below. You may have just won some tackle, so if you did, please send me your information to that email below, and from there, I don't know, I guess we'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time.